Welcome to techoverite.net. In this video I'll be showing you how to make use of Web-Speech API provided by HTML5 and written in JavaScript in order to convert audio into text. So I'll be making use of Google homepage, which is similar to Google but not exactly that as of Google. As you can see, this is the original homepage of Google. This is it, while this is mine here. So they are completely different, but I maintain the same structure. So another good thing about the Google homepage that I've done right here is that it gives you the ability to know what's going on between the Web-Speech API as well as the website. With the help of the log I've provided here, it shows you whether the recording has started and when it has stopped. And if there's an internet connection failure, it also shows you here without taking you to another web page or opening a pop-up that is going to be a little bit annoying to other people. So basically all you have to do is just to click on the mic, and after clicking on the mic you speak, and when you speak you click on the stop mic, or it automatically sends it after some seconds to start you speaking. The Spanish audio, and convert it to text effectively without making spelling mistake based on the person speaking. So you have to also be clear when you're speaking. Your confidence should be at the moderate level, as well as your voice. So this is the full implementation of the JavaScript Web-Speech API. As you can see, this is very useful, and you can also use it for other purposes. So if you are thinking of how this was done, I'm going to show you the code, this code snippet, and this is the code. This is the basic CSS, the CSS codes that I use to make it look stylish so that it doesn't look awkward. And this is the basic HTML part of the page, and this is the JavaScript part, which handles the unthinkable behind the scene for us. So if you have any question regarding this video on how to use the Web-Speech API, you can contact me using any of the following, either my website or my mail, as well as if you have any inquiries on how to use it on a real website, I can help you with that. So thanks for watching the video.